Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Jane Bayowa, 32 years old from Philippines. I am college graduate in Business Administration, major in Office Management. I am a single parent with four children, two sons and two daughters, ages 10, 8, 4, and 3. My height is 152 centimeter while my weight is 49 kilograms. My hobbies are taking care of children, singing, playing, and dancing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. I have served four members, two adults ages 40 and 42, including two children ages 2 and 5. My duties are house cleaning, ironing, doing the laundries, go to the market, and cooking. To my future employer, I promise to obey and follow the rules, and I am willing to learn new things and everything. I am happy to work with you if you choose me. I can say you can trust me. I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.